Hello, this is Kristen, Director of Library Services. I want to give you a quick introduction to our website because nearly everything you may need from the library is online. To access our website, log into my.pierce.edu and click on the Library tab, and then choose Click here to access library resources. The home page will tell you a little bit about our library staff, show our Twitter feed, our operating hours, and display the many ways you can contact us. Library Resources brings you to the links of all the databases to which we subscribe. These databases are what you will use when conducting research for assignments. Below the list are short video tutorials on how to search most of them. At the left are lists of course and subject guides. Course guides provide you with resources that are recommended for specific courses, such as databases, ebooks, and websites. Subject guides are very similar but pertain to a subject as a whole, such as business. A subject or course guide will be available in every one of your courses on Canvas. The library catalog is good for searching for print books that you can check out when you're on campus. It also provides links to all the ebooks and streaming videos we have in our databases as well. APA provides you with information on how to create in-text citations and references lists and format a paper using APA guidelines, among other information. These tabs on the side will be very useful when you have to write research papers. Help videos will take you to short video tutorials on how to search the databases, create APA citations, as well as research tips. If you're a paralegal student, the Law tab discusses the different legal resources the library owns, both in print and online. Library Services refers mainly to what is offered to you at the library on campus, including printing and scanning, borrowing books, and reserving our conference room. Subject Websites brings you to a list of subjects. Clicking any one of these shows you a list of reliable websites on that subject. If you'd like to learn more about social services in the Philadelphia area, click on Social Services. There are links to agencies geared toward housing, health, women, veterans, and more. Free Stuff provides links to free online media, such as free ebooks and audiobooks, images, and other libraries. Finally, notice that on every page there is a link at the top to chat with a librarian. Whenever you need a librarian's help, just start chatting with us. If the library is closed, this will be offline. However, you can still get in touch with us by emailing or calling and leaving a message. Take some time to explore the website on your own, and if you have any questions, be sure to let us know.